Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another episode of Finish It Friday, and I've got a little bit of surprise in this one. So before we get started, let's recap. I drew a little piece of paper that I had to pick an amigurumi book, so I pulled out my little amigurumi book leftover container, and I drew Crochet Impkins, and I flipped through here. And there were two that I really wanted to make. Well, I made both because I finished one and I was like, that took no time. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to make another one. So I ended up making two. So one more thing before we do get started, or before I show you, I wanted to tell you that in the last episode, I told you guys about how much the eyes were. First of all, to the subscriber that commented that you found those similar eyes on Amazon, I did not know that. I had no idea those eyes were even there. So I ended up ordering what you were talking about off of Amazon, and they should be here sometime today. Cross your fingers, knock on wood. And then before I ordered them off Amazon, I ended up going to both websites that the book says. One of them, the website is no longer available. I don't know if maybe she's just down for the moment. I don't know. It just says no longer available. But the one that is out of the UK was still functioning. And the eyes that the book tells you to use was on sale for like it was pounds. I don't know what the conversion is, but I think it was like £2 per pair or something like that. And I was like, what the heck? So I ended up ordering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. I have no idea when they're going to get here, but I'm excited because I couldn't believe they were that cheap, because the last time I looked at them, they were not that cheap. So I was super excited to see that. But all right, so the two that I worked out of this book, I wanted to make hands down him, because I think he's stinking adorable. And then the other one, I should have marked these pages, and of course I didn't. I wanted to make this guy because I thought he was so stinking cute. So here are my little Viking. Here is my little Viking and my little mushroom guy. Ta-da! I think they're so cute. Why does he look so lop-headed? His eyes look funny. That's weird. In person it doesn't, but on camera his eyes look like they're uneven. There it goes. I don't know. That's weird. But anyway, here's my little Viking. And these worked up pretty quick. This, he did take a little longer because his little mushroom cap. That did take a little bit, but... And they wanted you to use one of those foam hair rollers through the neck and the body. But I don't have ones that are that small, so... A couple years ago, I found at, I think where was it? It was like a bargain grocery store. Like a lot of the groceries they sell are probably expired or getting ready to expire. So the bigger grocery stores sell them the almost expired food. Well, one thing that was there was these 12-pack of not like the good number 2 pencils, but just like kind of like the knockoff. If you guys just saw that was a fly. Like a knockoff number 2 pencil, and they were like 25 cents. So for some reason, get out of here, we bought a couple packs and I kept them. So what I would do is I just snap them in half and put them inside my amigurumi to hold their heads. Because sometimes these little amigurumis, you can stuff them as tight as you want and their head is still not, like, the pattern makes it to where they can't support their head. So, like, even I've, stuffed him pretty good, I still had to put a pencil in there because of how heavy his head is. But there you go. I decided to make both, so I'm going to set these up somewhere. Oh, they're so adorable. I really enjoy that book. I would probably make something else out of that book. But here you go. Here's these two guys. Let's see. This actually doesn't go in here. These are my pom-poms. I need shelves. I need shelves around me so I can just set everything. Let's just balance. Nope. Balance him there for now. Okay. Well, that was fun. And I just used Red Heart Super Saver, red, white, and then heather gray. And then the on the Viking, his little helmet was actually scrap yarn from Hirschner's Worsted 8. I'm pretty sure. I don't know why I had it. I don't remember what I made with it, but I've got all my supplies sitting right here. Okay, so, oh, I can't pick up my box. Let's draw another Finish It Friday project. I thought I had something laying out. Let's shake it up. So I have, while I'm drawing, just a quick little side note to talk about. I have something coming up on my channel that I'm excited to talk to you guys about. Got one. And, well, what's the word I want to say? Upcoming series, maybe, that I want to talk to you guys about. So look out for Monday's video, because I'm going to explain everything in that. Okay, so let's unfold this, and I think I just saw the word book. Oh, no. Doll body. All right. So that means crochet doll bodies. Oh, please don't be something I don't want to do. Oh, there's only 4 in here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's only 4 in here. All right. Okay, it says My Bonnie Doll Head. So I know what doll head that's referring to, but I'm not sure if I meant that as I have a pattern using that doll head, or make another doll with that, my pattern with that doll head, and make another outfit. I'm not really sure what that meant. I do not do a very good job of explaining things. And I don't do a very good job of remembering what I meant on things. Let's see. I'm going to pause for a minute and see if I can't... I'm really sure I don't have a pattern using that doll head. I mean, an old crochet magazine or old crochet book or leaflet or anything like that. That fly is gonna get it. Using that doll head. So I'm almost thinking, oh, you've got to be kidding me. Okay, so I found my Bonnie head. I have a couple of these, I think. Crinkle if you don't like, crinkle warning if you don't like crinkles. So here are her little hands. And then here is her head. Her hair looks super orange in the video. Well, yeah, I guess that is about right. But I love this doll head. And you can get them on the website. I'll put a link in the description box for where these come from. And I'm thinking, I can't remember if you can order specifically this doll head or you have to get, you get it in a box maybe? Oh, I don't remember. I'll put a link in the description box. My cat just ran behind me. If you're interested in getting it. I have on my channel, I have a tutorial that shows how to make a body for her. and a dress. So my cat's got the zoomies. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to make the body, but come up with a new outfit for the body. So I wish I could show you guys the one that I had previous. Well, I guess I could put a picture. If I can go to the tutorial and kind of take a screenshot and then insert that here. So I'll scoot over and I'll insert that here. So that is what that's what her dress looks like. So instead of making just another dress, I think what I'm going to do is maybe design a different outfit for her. What kind of outfit, I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe a onesie thing, but I don't know. She doesn't really have a baby head. It's more of a, like a young adult. Instead of, so a onesie may not, well, I'd wear a onesie. And I'm 40. I'd wear a onesie. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe it'll just be like a top and pants or something like that. We'll see. All right. Her hair right there. I'm not liking that. So that is the next Finish It Friday project. And I think because of what I'm going to tell you guys Monday, I think what I'm going to try to do is not put so much time into my Finish It Friday to make sure I have it done by Friday. I think what I'm going to do is casually work on it and then show you Friday. Is it done or is it, you know, in progress, which I know kind of defeats the purpose of a Finish It Friday, but wait till Monday. I have some awesome stuff to tell you and to show you. So, that is it for this episode. I cannot wait. I'm excited. I like making these little this Bonnie doll. I have a couple of them, but the reason I can't show you the one I made originally for the tutorial is because she's packed up in our storage container. I tell my husband it looks like a semi-trailer. It's one of those, but it's packed. She's packed up in that all the way to the back, and it's like 103 degrees outside, and I am not going in there trying to find that thing. No. So, I hope the picture wasn't enough, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Check out the description box if you're interested in getting one of Bonnie heads, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. Hit that. I already said that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. Bye, guys.